Welcome everyone. Today the class Rocks and Minerals Identifications. Today I will be discuss about some such basic components of interactions with rocks and minerals with a basic identity, whatever needed for the proper knowledge in the development of geographical sections. In fact, the views a lot syllabus has been designed as the rocks minerals, but the fact of view you have to know about the proper identity, what is the basic role and what is the basic characteristics of rocks and minerals, whatever the need for the basic and fundamental values. In fact, today the first aspect is its basalt. So basalt is a porous rocks with some sections of acidic section. Here basalt is composed with some feldspar and mica trace here. And remember that mica, feldspar and quartz hornblende has been mixed with basalt rocks. It is being located all over in the sections of India, that means special reference to the southern sections of Kerala and several activities of hilly region in Chhattisgarh has been profiled as facts of prints of basalt rocks. In the basalt, here the reddish color is a break sexually repaired. The fact of wheels, here the reddish red and the spot has been defined as very hardness with the ticking sulfur. And after all, this basalt is rated for the pyroclastic effects of use, and some of the basalt is illuminated with facts with some mica, feldspar and hornblende, with section for constructions of the minerals to make a basalt is the igneous rocks in the factories. So far, in the sections, the Agneya, it is very hardy, so it has a very crystal colors here and very hardy and very witty. And when you see so far, it's a very conceptual fact of hardness is about the maximum in the healing for identification. So remember, in the identification, well, we're going to introduce something for the identification of rocks. You have to give the nature whatever you see in your physical eyes, not in the chemical section views. So we have to mention there's a rocks, there's a hardness, color is white, blacks, some black or reddish colors and some gray colors in difference here. We know basalts with two categories, greenies, the very crystalline in some gray color and some is blacks. In section of views, this second type of basalt here. In the sections, this is a basalt is completely black in color, and here in this color of rocks, you have been identified these rocks as a basic fundamentals for the very streaky and very wetty and very crystallized so far. It is being colored, the sound is seen so far for the very it is for the second view for this color. Our sound is crystalline sound, and this basalt is colored in blacks and gray. In these two basements, that's the basalt, we need some flake with some limonite howling activity with the basalt, and this is a blackish basalt. It's been located in India, especially and in the southern Kerala and its some sections of Uttarakhand. You have been best put as the basalt, the Bindha range area. Since the part views, he sees the fraction of the basalt activities. Now the second, whatever I'm being introduced you as a granites, very important, the igneous rock. In the sections of granite, this is the granite of the white side area. Granite is consisted with some mica, some hornblades, and with the very trace of feldspar composing in the sections of constructions of granite rocks, whatever say. The same view, granite have a very multi-category. One is some white and black, some is completely black, and some is green color. Here I'm being used. Here is a this is the granites of the black in color. I mean the black color granites here with tracing from some glister, some glistening with glister as the minerals of mica has been heading to composed here, composed with the mica hornblades and feldspar that is being called as a granite is a basic and preliminary for the sections of the primary minerals to construct the granite sections. And after all, granite is a very important hue rocks, whatever it is used in a very hardly in the section of commercial world today. In the section views, after granite I'm being used the very good concept about some different kinds of granite. This is here the granite, this is the color of the granite is some reddish. I mean here is the skin of tiger, whatever is waiting for the stretching and stirring with the section views. And here the all of the minerals has been composed to the very mixed and finally attachment here. It's the granite. So granite is very mixed so far. There were three categories. One is blackish granite, that is the red is some sections of reds and here some reds. These kinds of granite has been used for other identifications in your rocks and minerals. Maybe in your exam that you will get multicolor of granite, but you have to think about a very clear way that what is the basic components of ground, and you will get the answer finally. After that, I am going to use about some minerals today in this class, that is quartz. Quartz is very fundamental and very primary minerals to construct the such of basalt and also in granite. In here in the basalt and the such kinds of reddish some limonite basalts. Here the granites. Here also there is some granites and the white shadow granites. Each and every rocks I am being said to you, each and everywhere. The quartz is a very essential minerals in the composition here. Quartz is very crystalline and it is very hardy, and after all it's have a very cleavage. It's very tricky, and you have to go really seeing so far for the stretch and line that the line should be in a curve. And this is a fact of views that it quartz, and here is the reflections of sunlight and sun glow with the sunlights, whatever in the BRG format. I mean the sections of your RGB fabric, red, green, blue, as in the sections of railing so far. The rainbow color has been directions for the reflection of the sun ray, the railing flow. The fact of views that is quartz. Quartz is one of the important minerals that give you the complete ideas about whatever the basic components. The fact of views when you go to the sandstone, after all, when you are going to introduce kinds of sandstone, then here sandstone is composites of quartz. Here these are the very strictly, this is a quartz has been defined, and sands and quartz mixly, mica, sands and quartz are composed to continue to construct the sandstone, whatever I am being used to say. This is called with sandstone, and the sandstone is a very essential elements of the quartz and the facts of view. So it's sandstone is sedimentary rocks. Here the basalt is igneous rocks. Here the quartz is a minerals, and the sandstone is completely sedimentary rocks. Sandstone metamorphosed to quartzite is clear for the fact of views. I'm being set to at very essential activities, that is the sandstone in the very preliminary sections of minerals, that is the quartz is formed to very essential elements to form the sandstone more prominently, that is quartz. So I am being today interactions about the section of granites and the different colors of granites and the sections of blackish granites, and then basalts, super important rocks here as the basalts, and here this is basalt, the secondary basalt here, and here is for as a quartz. Quartz is very important minerals. It is in glaciers and it have a very glazy and cleavage with clear with strips. And now this is a sandstone, the very important so far. And this is granite. Remember that here in the sections of granite, look at in the front of basic area, whatever seen for the basic flow and the basic stress of the outer body, the inner core and outer core, whatever the glacier, it is the glacier, it is from the feldspar and quartz. That's why quartz is a very important minerals to construct the such of igneous rock like granite, basalt, and etc. Today the class has been complete, and now if you have a question, must make me a query. I'll give you answer, but best. Thank you.